It was our last day in Malaysia and also the day of Christmas, which we decided to celebrate with a ride to the mountains with some bikers from Kuala Lumpur. As XBHP, we had already done over 50 countries on some of the world's best superbikes and sometimes supercars too. Before the start of this odyssey from India all the way to Singapore and beyond to Sri Lanka via Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia, and Malaysia. And this would be a total of 15,000 kilometers in 90 days for a total of 11 countries. And we would be doing this on a homegrown Bajaj Dominar 400s. Not only that, there will be 11 riders who will be joining us in different legs of this odyssey. But you have to see all the vlogs one by one to find out who they were. Malaysia was country number 9 on the XPHP Dominar Great Asian Odyssey. And we had 3 days to spend in Kuala Lumpur, including the Christmas. And here we had one more rider from India to join us. And that rider was Praveen from Kerala, also known as Gerap Vichu, who joined as the winner of the online contest that we had run.
We are here in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia with Gerap Vichu, who has just joined the team today. This is first riding day, and Lord Indra is showering his blessings on us. But I think it's a little too much, if not for us, then for our cameras. So we have taken shelter here in this Hindu temple in Kuala Lumpur. So what better place to take shelter than God's abode. Such a beautiful temple, and it smells so nice. It reminds you of home. Vishnu,
Yes.
how has been your ride so far?
Yeah, it was so good. Actually, in the morning we just ride through the highways. That was a different experience. And
Yes.
riding through this small market, a lot of signals are there, lot of traffic are there, lot of people are there. But this one is good,
Yes.
better
Yes.
comparing to the highways.
How did you like riding the Dominar here in Malaysia?
Oh God, I never expected that I could ride a Dominar in Malaysia. I was riding Dominar since 2.5 years, but even in my dreams, I never thought about riding a Dominar in Malaysia, even Kuala Lumpur.
Okay.
And the experience was really awesome. And Dominar is always power pack machine. That's what we can say.
Yes. Quite good speeds we could maintain on these roads. And actually Malaysia roads can, give you that freedom where you can explore the Dominar to its
you can push
limit.
yourself, but the good speed will be somewhat around 120 to 130.
So we are stuck in the infamous Kuala Lumpur traffic jam, and on my right is Gear Up Vichu. Vichu, how's the ride going?
Yeah, it's very cool, heavy ride.
But very slow.
Very slow.
We are moving slower than a snail now.
Hello friends, this is Praveen from Kerala, Cochin, and few of you might have know by the name Gear Up Vichu, and thanks XBHP and Bajaj Dominar for selecting me as a contestant and giving me an opportunity to ride in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. It was a fun riding in Bajaj Dominar. I am a proud owner of Bajaj Dominar since 2.5 years, and it is very tough riding at night through Kuala Lumpur. Heavy traffic, we were like snails, but it is really fun to ride here because lot of lights are there in night. In morning we have gone for a small service and the roads were really awesome. Open roads, we can push the bike, push the throttle, and I'm enjoying this ride thanks to Bajaj and XBHP team, and having fun riding with the team is really awesome. So guys, keep following XBHP. So that's it. Keep on riding. Keep the throttle up.
We have come to this place here in Kuala Lumpur, which is the Chinatown of Kuala Lumpur, and here you find a lot of Chinese food stalls like this one. This looks really nice. I don't know what they're cooking, but it's grilled fish and rice. It looks really great. It smells awesome. But I'm a vegetarian, so I cannot eat that.
The Dominar 400 is a very easy motorcycle to ride, be it the mountains or the city riding conditions, thanks to its handling and comfort. And now you have the Dominar 250, which is even lighter and easier to ride. The Dominar 250 makes for a very good entry-level touring motorcycle that can take care of your city riding needs with much ease as well. You can test ride the Dominar 250 at your nearest Bajaj dealership. For now, let's get back to the Odyssey.
Good morning. So the day begins here in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur, and we're going to Putrajaya today. So that's Pratiksha, Vichu, yours truly, and that's Kuala Lumpur. Good morning from Putrajaya, Malaysia. It's the seat of government of Malaysia, and this place you can see behind me is the biggest, perhaps one of the biggest landmarks after the Petronas Tower is the Putra Mosque, and over there is Prime Minister's office. So this is the most important place in Malaysia. This is the center of power here, and it's beautiful. You can see already a lot of tourists, but it's peaceful, not chaotic. The weather is good too. It's a bit humid, and with me right now are Pratiksha, who's sitting over there, and Gear Up Vichu, who's the contest winner for XBHP Dominar Great Asian Odyssey, and he just joined us here in Malaysia yesterday.
It's very cool, very hot here, but the ride is really cool.
And let's go to Pratiksha. Pratiksha.
Hello.
Yes.
So-
You joined us in Thailand.
Thailand, actually. Border.
Border,
Thailand
yeah,
and
yeah.
Malaysia border.
So Thailand Malaysia border, and
Yeah.
you'll be going
All
with
the
us
way towards
Singapore.
Yeah, I'll be
Yes.
ending my ride in Singapore.
How's your experience so far?
So, yeah, I'm really enjoying the roads over here. Traffic is very good. Like, people do follow, everyone follows the rules, and not like India. They follow lane discipline. So, overall, it's going good.
Okay. All right. Chalo.
After exploring Putrajaya, it was time to head back to Kuala Lumpur, where we had a meetup with the bikers of the city.
Good evening, gentlemen and everyone. My name is Sunny, and I am a part of a group in India called XBHP.
We are thankful to each and every biker who attended this meet and also helped us to organize it. So we have a few group of riders who have joined us, and from Kuala Lumpur we are going to the Highlands. So we are in the Highlands, kind of going towards Genting Highland right now, and Pratiksha is sitting on a BMW X1000R in front of me. It's Christmas today, so but it's not too much traffic. We had anticipated much more. Behind me is Sunil and Praveen Gear Up Vichu, who is a contest winner. And along with that, there are a few other bikers. It was our last day in Malaysia and also the day of Christmas, which we decided to celebrate with a ride to the mountains with some bikers from Kuala Lumpur. this is Fraser's Hill in Malaysia. We are going on to the top, lot of corners, and even though this is 25th December, surprisingly there are very few people. So this is a welcome change. A lot of corners. So in front of me is the S1000 XR and it's Street Triple 675. So right now we are taking it slow. But corner after corner after corner. Alright, so this is a Fraser Hill, and apparently this is a very important sign. So almost everyone wants to click a picture with them. One-way street. After visiting the Fraser's Hill, it was time to head back to the city. But before that, we visited another important place near Kuala Lumpur. So we are right at the foot of the Petronas Twin Towers, and my god, you really have to look up. So we have reached the Petronas Twin Towers. The bottom, and that's the top. That is actually half a kilometer high, almost like 440 meters if I'm not wrong. But they are building a tower which is higher than this, which will be, I think, made in couple of years, something like that. And there is a Bentley flying spur, but anyways, it's hard to catch in the traffic. So this is the iconic place. I mean, in fact, a lot of countries, they have icons like Taj Mahal. We have the Taj Mahal, and Cambodia has Angkor Wat, but Malaysia has the Petronas Twin Towers as its icon. So you can imagine how important this place is. And this looks brand new. The towers, they don't seem to age at all. I mean, they're looking as new as when I first saw them around 7 years ago. So, and yes, today is Christmas also. So here is Santa, and you know, I mean, what can you give us?
प्यार दे सकता हूँ बस और बहुत सारा एक्सपीरियंस दे सकता हूँ.
अच्छा. But yes, here you can see Praveen also, all the way from Kerala. Tomorrow is your last day.
Yes, yes.
Okay, did you enjoy?
Yes, enjoyed a lot.
Okay. So another sunset is going to happen. Just 2-3 days left before we leave the bike in Singapore for shipping it to Colombo, Sri Lanka, which is the 11th country. All I can say is it has been a tremendous odyssey so far, and a lot of experiences. To top it all, today was a wonderful ride in Malaysia with some Malaysian bikers. So
I'll see you soon.